nnyo ddala kakensa mukikwatagana ky'okufumba byonna ziramba.
Hi guys, yeah, we're going to make it up.
Yeah.
Our red lips. This is it. This is lime. Squeeze the lime.
Yeah. Yeah.
We add in some honey, a butter top, toothpaste. You can do this and you use it for a full day, 3 times a day. Then add sugar. Then you do the mix. This is brown sugar, by the way, that I've added. So it has dissolved. After making it and it becomes white, I think you can see. Next, we get our brushes, apply on the lips. Thank you for watching. You can subscribe, you can like, and you clean it up. This is my boy, Ian. He also likes red lips.